Why do you think the committees are considered to be useful for parliamentary work? Discuss, in this context, the role of the Estimates Committee. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. Parliamentary committees are vital to the legislative process in India, offering a platform for detailed examination of laws, policies, budgets, and other issues. These committees consist of members of parliament, MPs, from various political parties, working together in a non-partisan manner. Body. Types of committees. Standing committees, permanent committees that operate continuously, such as the Public Accounts Committee and Estimates Committee. Ad hoc committees, temporary committees formed for specific tasks, like select committees that examine particular bills. Benefits of parliamentary committees. Expertise. Committees help MPs gain specialized knowledge for better scrutiny. Detailed scrutiny. They allow for in-depth analysis of proposals that can't be done in full sessions. Time management. Committees streamline parliamentary work by focusing on specific issues. Non-partisan approach. They promote cooperation among MPs. Stakeholder consultation. Committees engage with experts and the public for diverse perspectives. Accountability. They hold the government accountable for its policies and spending. Role of the Estimates Committee. Expenditure scrutiny. Examines government spending estimates. Performance evaluation. Assesses the effectiveness of government programs. Ensuring accountability. Monitors that funds are used appropriately. Recommendations. Suggests improvements for government expenditure. Non-ministerial members. Composed of non-ministerial MPs for unbiased review. Conclusion. Parliamentary committees, especially the Estimates Committee, are essential for improving the effectiveness of the parliamentary system. They ensure thorough examination of legislative matters, foster expertise among MPs, and maintain a non-partisan atmosphere.